Friends, today I'll bring it to your notice how there is a misuse of positional power to result in wasteful expenditure worth lakhs in postal department, a type of criminal wastage. Let us go back to the year 2014. There was one Mr. Ramanujan as CPMG in Karnataka Circle. He sent MMS manager Mr. B. Vijay Kumar to 3000 kilometers distant Assam to attend a motor vehicle disposal committee meeting. Accordingly, the wasteful expenditure to department was worth lakhs. Of course, what is this MEDC meeting? What it does? What is its constitution? When it is held? So let us know something about MEDC meeting. As you all know, there are inspection vehicles with divisional heads, regional heads, circle heads, postal directorate, etc. So the vehicles are to be condemned when they become uneconomical. So there is a procedure to constitute this motor vehicle disposal committee. Normally it constitutes 3 members. Among the 3, there will be a technical man, mainly the MMS manager, to decide whether technically the vehicle is fit for continuation or it is unfit for continuation. That is, so because any further use of this vehicle becomes more uneconomical, in fact, it becomes burdensome. If such be the thing, vehicle requires to be disposed, and such decision taken by the technical manager who happens to be the mechanical engineer or automobile engineer. So, further, this in terms of kilometers or in terms of age, they take the decision. If the vehicle, for example, is up to 20 HP, then by kilometer means 1.5 lakhs, or years means 6.5 years. So they see after 6.5 years, any vehicle is fit for continuation or 1.5 lakh kilometer mileage, they go for this MEDC meeting. So they take a decision whether to continue with it or to send it out. As you all know, the transport wing of Postal Department is Mail Motor Service, abbreviated as MMS. Mainly these motor mail units are positioned in state headquarters like Calcutta, Patna, Delhi, Nagpur, Chennai, Bombay, Guwahati, etc. Of course, the post of manager MMS at Guwahati was vacant then. So more than one unit is there in metros like Bombay, Calcutta, Delhi and Chennai. As I told already, there was a senior manager at Calcutta. With my surprise, I sought information from this Calcutta man, so to know whether he was blacklisted to attend this MEDC meeting. In fact, he would have been utilized to attend this MEDC meeting because the Guwahati was very near to Calcutta. However, surprisingly, how he was not called for the MEDC meeting, or otherwise the Patna man, or otherwise the Kanpur man, nearby units people would have been called to attend the motor vehicle disposal committee meeting. In fact, the staff car rules also specify certain guidelines about how to conduct this motor vehicle disposal committee meetings. So, the Government of India directions below Rule 43, I'll read for you. It is like this. A vehicle should be condemned only after a certificate has been obtained from one of the following authorities to the effect that the vehicle is not fit for any further economical use. 1. An electrical and mechanical workshop of the National Airports Authority. 2. The workshop of a state road transport corporation. 3. At locations where workshops mentioned at 1 and 2 above are not available, transport workshops under the central and state government departments. So, this is the procedure or rule position. So, the people at Guwahati, they would have taken the decision of summoning somebody from the State Road Transport Corporation or otherwise, if any central government office is there or some electrical or mechanical engineers or automobile engineers are there, they would have been called to attend this motor disposal committee meeting, but that is not done. In fact, they have called manager MMS from Bangalore. So I thought department might have blacklisted this Calcutta MMS manager, and because of which only he was not called for to attend this MEDC meeting at Guwahati, which was very near to Calcutta, as a technical member. So the reply from him, I got that he was not blacklisted as such. So later, surprisingly, that how come and why this Bangalore manager was preferred for a MEDC meeting held at Assam? Why near MMS managers like Kanpur, Patna, etc. were avoided? And what might be the reasons? I surprised. So to know the reasons, I addressed CPMG Karnataka Circle, MMS manager at Bangalore, then the Assam people, and the motor vehicle director at the Postal Directorate. I could get no proper reason from these people for this special journey, because this special journey made lakhs worth expenditure to the department. Mr. Ramanujan, CPMG, once again sent this Mr. B. Vijay Kumar, MMS manager, Bangalore, from Bangalore to Calcutta during 2015. I addressed Assam Circle for MEDC meeting minutes. They didn't give initially. However, after about 2 years, with the intervention of Central Information Commission, after second appeal, I could get few papers from them. With all the relevant evidential materials, a complaint I addressed to Central Vigilance Commission, New Delhi, against this Mr. Ramanujam, who wasted public money, took a senseless decision to send MMS manager from Bangalore to 3,000 km distant Guwahati to attend a MEDC committee meeting twice during the years 2014 and 2015. So CVC seems forwarded electronically my complaint to CVO of DOP, Chief Vigilance Officer, Department of Posts. In fact, CVC later said to my RTI application that they have sent my complaint electronically to the Chief Vigilance Officer of DOP, and they say shamelessly that they don't call any report from DOP as to what nature of action they have taken, and it is their policy to keep mum. So CVC has reduced itself like a dark section just to forward the complaints to concerned departments, and they are not much worried afterwards. Interestingly, a few questions arise here. Why this Central Vigilance Commission is there? What is its functioning? Is it functioning according to the dictates of Central Vigilance Commission Act? Why don't they reply as to what nature of action they have taken? Whether the very non-calling of report from Postal Department or any other department for that matter encourages other departments like Postal Department to remain mum. So, because they don't initiate any action. Whether the CVC is taking care of the objectives of CVC Act, why it is not functioning properly in accordance with the dictates of CVC Act. So, these are the few questions to any citizen of this country. So, in fact, DOP has not done anything after the receipt of this complaint from Central Vigilance Commission. They don't even reply. My complaint might have been kept under some dustbin. So that's how DOP treats the citizens' complaints. In fact, citizens who work for the interest of the department and the officials who are there in the directorate who are paid to see that the interest of the departments, and they don't do anything, they pass time. So, what prevent these officials to initiate action on Mr. Ramanujam and order recovery of wasteful expenditure because of his senseless decision to send MMS manager from Bangalore to Guwahati for condemnation and disposal committee member? So, thus the abuse of power by CPMG Karnataka resulted in wasteful expenditure a few lakhs with respect to the air journey by manager. Twice he visited Guwahati during 2014 and 15. However, so let us see. I have once again addressed Mr. P.K. Bisoi, the present Secretary Department post, to initiate action on this Mr. Ramanujam, the erstwhile CPMG, and to recover the wasteful expenditure from his pension. So friends, please like this speech, share and subscribe. Thank you.